We were going mad, people, yeah. We were going mad about nut bag and nut milking bag and all of this, yeah. Let me tell you how you make almond milk. You just soak some almonds, yeah. God. You just soak some almonds, alright? That's what you do, yeah, for some hours, okay? You put it in a blender, yeah. Blend it, alright? Yeah, with some water, yeah. Put in a blender with some water. Strain it, yeah. That's it. That's almond milk. That's it. What you saying about the raw cake, yeah? I think raw cake, yeah. Sorry. I think raw cake, yeah, is hazelnuts. I think it's hazelnuts and cashews. Yeah. Like hazelnuts, cashews and dates, yeah. But I really, really wanted pistachios, yeah. I might top it with pistachios. And I'm thinking of what kind of topping I could do with it. Like the lady I saw, she did do a chocolate cake. I got the cacao in it, yeah. Doing like some cacao and what? I think she was putting honey in it, yeah. Something like that. Well, I'll probably make the one that the lady made, innit? Still on the YouTube. Probably make something like that. But just do a different topping for it. God, that'd be quite a nutty cake, innit? It'd probably be really nice, though. Yeah. Almond milk and raw cake coming up. That's exciting. Haven't got to the raw biscuits yet, but I'll probably end up munching through them, so I want to get to the raw cake first. But we don't need no freaking nut milking bag, guys, yeah. We just need the blender, yeah, water, a few soaking hours, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, bit of water, blender, the almonds, strain it, you know what I mean? Put it in a bottle, innit? Put it in a bowl. It lasts like, it's like 3-4 days supposed to last. I'll drink that then. And look, yeah, sorry. But I've been doing some research today. If it all goes well, which I'm sure it will, yeah, just buy a bigger bag of almonds then, innit? I'll find a massive bag of them. Yeah. And do that. But then maybe even we could try the soya bean one, innit? Or we'll try the almond one first. That was literally it. That was literally all you had to do. Soak them. Put them in a blender of water. Blend them. Strain them. Literally. And then what's left over, man, tired, you know. What's left over of the almonds, yeah, you can add it to your cakes and stuff like that. You can add it for some crunch. Yeah. Might just add the rest of them to the cake then, innit? Yeah, with a little bit of pistachios, a nut cake, a nut raw cake, yeah. Yeah. I said I'd see more nuts coming in. Well, it'd be nice, yeah, to have them. And I'd put dates in a basket too, yeah. Yeah, it makes the mixture a little more sticky, yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. It'll be fun, innit? Like, that's gonna be fun trying that. It's gonna be fun trying that. Excuse me. I was looking at I was looking at distillers as well, yeah, for essential oils, like getting my own distiller. But you can make different things out of it, yeah. You can make whiskey, you can make vodka, yeah. You can make all kinds of things, yeah. You can make your own alcohol, you know that, yeah. Wine, you can make wine out of it. Yeah, yeah, they're not that expensive. Yeah, distillers. Looked at looked at the beauty fridges, looked at the tabletop freezers, looked at the workout gear. I was very happy, yeah. I was very happy. I might get smoked with you, yeah. I might get smoked with you, go to bed, as I say. Yeah, go to bed, go to bed. I'm sorry, I would cover my face right now, yeah. Yeah, it's just another part of the journey that we're documenting, guys. Yeah. Almond cake and raw milk coming up. What was saying the workout gear? What did I find? Let me tell you what I found, yeah. Or was I happy with the price of it, everything I found? Because look, listen, I did look, yeah, at essential oils, yeah. I got itchy freaking nose, yeah. I did look at essential oils, alright. But I thought, how do you make this yourself, innit? Let's take this a step further. But then I found the distiller in it, yeah. I was like, cool. And I said, you know what? I want to get into a bit of whiskey, yeah. A bit of whiskey, yeah. I like this. I was like, yeah, man. Can make whiskey. Yeah. Yeah, cool. And then the beauty fridge, yeah, it's really just a mini fridge. It's really just a mini fridge. Yeah, they're not expensive. The tabletop freezer, yeah, not expensive. Not expensive, actually. I was impressed. I was impressed with what came up for that stuff. Yeah.